Find the indicated terms in each of the sequence in question 7 to 10 whose nth term is. nth term is given in this question. तो इस क्वेश्चन में अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे in this question 7 an is given and we need to find a17 and a24 24th term. So if an is given in the question और हमें a17 find करना है, so what we have to do, this a, this 4 and this 3 as it is. So at the place of n की place पे 17 अगर मैं यहाँ पे replace करूँ on the left side, so in this nth term, so I need to replace with n with 17 on this side also, right? So n को 17 रखा, so we have obtained 17th term. 17 4 जा, so the answer in this case is 65, right? Now how to find a24? So n की जगह पे 24 पुट करेंगे, -3, 4 4 जा 16, 4 2 जा 8, 96 -3, it comes out to be 93, right? So this is the final answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you all. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question number 8 here. a7 find करना है तो n की जगह पे 7 रख दीजिए on both the sides. So it's 7 square and it's 2 power 7. So it's 14 upon 2 power 7, not 14, it's 49. 7 7 is 49 upon 2 power 7 is 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 into 2, 128. So this is the final answer in this case, right? Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question 9 here. an is given, a9 फाइंड करना है. a तो n की जगह पे क्या रिप्लेस कर दीजिए, 9, and on this side also replace at the place of n, 9 replace कर दीजिए, 9 minus 1, 9 power 3. So the answer in this case is -1 power 8 into 9 power 3. So -1 power 8 is 1. So answer in this case is 9 power 3. So 9 9 is 81 into 9. It's 729 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question number 10. a20 find करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. a20. So put n is equal to 20 on both the sides. So it's 20 minus 2 upon 20 plus 3. So answer in this case is 20 into 18 by 23 is equal to 360 by 23. So this is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question number 11 here. Write first 5 terms of each of the sequence from question 11 to 13 and obtain the corresponding series. So हमें first 5 terms find करनी है question 11 में. तो first term is given, a1 is given 3 and an is given. an अगर given है यहाँ पे तो हम लोग इसके सेकंड टर्म फाइंड कर सकते हैं n को 2 से रिप्लेस करके, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ. If I replace n with 2, with 3, with 4 and with 5, then we will get the all the fifth term. तो n को रिप्लेस कर दीजिए 3a, यहाँ पे रखूंगा 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 3a, 2 minus 1 कितना आ जाएगा, 1 plus 2. a1 is given in the question, it's 3. तो यहाँ पे पुट कर दीजिए, it's 3 into 3 plus 2, 3 3 जा 9 plus 2 11. यहाँ पे देखिए 3, यहाँ पे रखेंगे 3 a, 3 minus 1, n की जगह पे 3 रखेंगे जनरल टर्म में, तो आएगा 3a2 plus 2. Similarly it comes 3a3 plus 2 and it comes 3a4 plus 2. तो एक पैटर्न बन रहा है. तो a2 की वैल्यू रखिए 11 3 जा 33 plus 2 35. यहाँ पे रखिए 35 into 3 105 plus 2 107. यहाँ पे रखिए 107. 107 is it's 321 plus 2 323. So this is the first 5 terms और सीरीज वो पूछ रहे हैं. तो सीरीज क्या आएगी, 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question 12. So this is the same question. Try it by yourself. A1 is given. To find A2, write it on your notebook and try to find it by yourself. So how to find A2? by using this nth term. So put at the place of n, put 2. So it become 2 minus 1 upon 8, 2 minus 1 upon 2. So a2 minus 1 is a1 upon 2. So it comes out to be minus 1 by 2 like this. So आपका जो a3 आया होगा, what is a3 you have obtained? It's a2 by 2. It's minus 1 by 4. a4 क्या आएगा? a3 by 2. एक कम हो जाता है, n minus 1 एक कम हो जाता है, तो a3 by 2, a3 by 2 इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, minus 1 by 8. What is a5? a5 आपका आया होगा a4 by 2. It's minus 1 by 16, right? तो सीरीज इन दिस केस इज -1. सीरीज में मतलब एलिमेंट्स में प्लस का साइन लगा देते हैं बीच में, इट बिकम द सीरीज. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. 13th question, the same thing we need to find in this question also. A1 is given here. A1 हमें given है 2. A2 भी given है 2. A3 find करना है. A3 we find out by using this nth term. तो n को 3 से replace कर दीजिए on both the sides. So what we have obtained? So A3 minus 1 minus 1. So it's A2 minus 1. A2 है 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. What is A4? A2 minus 1 आया है. A4 आएगा हमारे पास. A4 we have obtained. A4 is A3 minus 1. A5 is A4 minus 1 like this. So what is A3? A3 है 1, तो 1 minus 1 equal to 0. A4 कितना है? 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So what is the series in this case? तो series in this case is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1. Right? I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this last question of the exercise. This is the important question here. Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci is a portion given the sequence by Fibonacci. What is the sequence? If you look at the given data here, A1 A2 कितना given है? A1 भी 1 है, A2 भी 1 है, right? And nth term relation is given here. nth term का एक relation हमें यहाँ पे given है जो n greater than 2 के लिए अप्लाई करता है. हमें फाइंड करना है an plus 1. किसके लिए? n जब 1 होगा, 2 होगा, 3 होगा, 4 होगा, 5 होगा. तो पहले फाइंड करते हैं when n is 1. n अगर 1 है, in that case an plus 1 upon an क्या आएगा? n को 1 रखिए, 1 plus 1 upon a1. ये कितना आया? a2 upon a1. a2 भी पता है, a1 भी पता है. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. I hope this thing is clear to you. n जब आप 2 लेंगे तो ये क्या आएगा? an plus 1 upon an क्या आएगा? 2 लिखा है यहाँ पे, 2 plus 1, नीचे n की जगह पे 2 लिखा, तो ये आया a3 by a2. It comes out to be a3 कितना है? 1. a3 कितना है? So we do not know about a3. a3 के बारे में हमें नहीं पता है. So how to find a3? a3 we have find by using this relation. तो जो जनरल रिलेशन है यहाँ पे, ये जो जनरल रिलेशन गिवन है, इसको यूज करके हम लोग a3 फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So that general relation is given. an is equal to an minus 1, an minus 1 plus an minus 2. So this is the general relation given. अब आपको फाइंड करना है a3 चाहिए आपको. a3 क्या आएगा? n को 3 रखा, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1. So a2 और a1 कितना है? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. तो a2 आ गया. तो ये nth टर्म यहाँ पे an की ये नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए दिया है. तो व्हाट इज द आंसर इन दिस केस इज 2 by 1. n इक्वल टू 3 के लिए क्या आएगा? जब n 3 रखोगे तो an plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा a4 और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? a3. तो दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड. a4 क्या होगा? a4 तो हमें पता नहीं है, तो a4 फाइंड कर लेते हैं यहां से. तो देखो 4 minus 1 3, इससे मैं फाइंड कर रहा हूं. यहाँ पे n की जगह पे 4 रख दिया दोनों तरफ. एंड 4 minus 2 2. a3 plus a2, a3 या 2 plus 1 equal to 3. तो ये आएगा 3 by 2. I hope this thing is clear to you. All yes or no? n को 4 रखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Is the screen is visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. सो इफ A5 अपॉन A4 आ जाएगा, A5 भी नहीं पता है, A5 फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। तो यहां से अगर मैं A5 फाइंड करूं तो A5 किसका सम होगा, 4 का और 3 का। 4 क्या है, 3, और A3 कितना है, A3 है हमारे पास 2, तो ये आएगा 5। सो इट्स 5/3। n को 5 ले लीजिए, n को 5 के लिए क्या आएगा, A6 अपॉन A5, A6 अपॉन A5, A6 हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। A6 किसका सम आएगा, फिफ्थ का और फोर्थ टर्म का। तो फिफ्थ क्या है 5 और फोर्थ क्या है 3, तो 5 + 4 3 आएगा ये, राइट। सो 5 + 3, 5 + 3 कितना आएगा, 5 + 3 is 8। So what will be the answer in this case, 8/5. I hope this question is clear to you. So like this at different values we can find it, the values of an plus 1 by an, right. So this is all about this exercise. Now let's move to the next topic of this chapter, that is arithmetic progression.